Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you the trick 1.5 hook. This trick is kind of hard to learn, so a trick you need to know for this trick is regular Hatamasa hook, and then what also can help you is the reverse Hatamasa hook. But without further ado, let's go! There's not much I can do to help teach you this trick. It's something you just have to take time to learn, kind of like boingy boing. But what you're gonna basically just want to do is throw your breakaway and then whip the string around, and you want to whip it with a lot of power. Whip it around, and then you're gonna grab the back string right there, kind of like you're gonna go into a Brent stall, but not. Don't do that. Then what you're gonna do after that is whip around, and what I used to do is I kind of stuck my finger here and then tried to do a hook kind of action, and that is extremely hard and almost impossible. I've only landed that twice, so don't try and do that. That will mess your arm up and it will make your arm actually hurt trying to do it for such a long time. You're going to want to put your hand behind the string so you can see it goes behind and onto the front string, and sometimes you can mess up and it gets you into kind of a knot, which is really frustrating, but you just need to get that out and then you're fine. You want to hit the hook on the front string. The problem you could have with learning this trick is string tension. You need to have the string tension absolutely neutral. If it's not neutral, it isn't going to work. Another tip is keep your hands really close together. So then you can therefore land your hook, and then what you want to do to dismount it is just roll over, hinge inwards until you're in the 1.5, or until you're in the trapeze and brother mount. What people do is they can just drop, throw it to the side, and it comes back. Now you can do a whole bunch of stuff. You can dismount, do some slack trapeze and brother, and then ripcord, and do any sort of bind that you'd like. But you can really do anything at that point from 1.5 mount. And this has been the trick 1.5 hook. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.